Okay, so for question number 1, we notice that 2 of these terms have the same denominator, x plus 5, but 6 does not. So I'm going to make it have the same denominator of x plus 5. So let's start by, I'm going to rewrite 6 as 6 over 1, and then to get that common denominator, I'm going to multiply by x plus 5 over x plus 5. I'm going to put parentheses around here so that I remember I have to distribute that 6. So I'm going to rewrite my first fraction just the same way it was, -4 over x plus 5. Then I'm adding, when I distribute, I get 6x plus 30. That's also over x plus 5. Then the right side, still the same, -7x over x plus 5. So now that I have the same denominator for all of these rational expressions, I don't really care about the denominators anymore. Since when I'm adding or subtracting fractions, the denominators remain the same, and I just start combining things in the numerators. So I'm going to rewrite this with just the numerators. So -4 plus 6x plus 30 equals -7x. Several people on the quiz dropped this negative, so make sure that we're paying attention to our negative signs. I'm going to combine my like terms on the left side. -4 plus 30 gives me 26 plus 6x equals -7x. To isolate x, I need to get all the x's on the same side, so I'm subtracting 6x. So I get 26 equals -13x. My final step is to divide by -13. So I get -2 for x. Now for these questions, I have to go back and make sure that this is a true solution and not an extraneous solution. I do that by plugging my potential solution back in specifically to the denominators. So I only have one denominator here, x plus 5. If I plug in -2 and I do not get 0 for my denominator, then that is an acceptable solution. When I do -2 plus 5, that gives me 3, which is not 0, so that means the solution works. So -2